Hi, I'm Brian Hoppy, one of the sales managers for LONO LIFE. We're a high protein supplement, bone broth, collagen company. So I want to take a chance to walk you through some of our products that we have, that we offer. We have our collagen bone broth products. 3 main flavors. We have a chicken bone broth, a Thai curry beef bone broth, and then a regular beef bone broth. So what's the benefit of bone broth? So it's really the collagen. So it's high collagen, high protein, really good for your skin, hair, nails, joints, gut health, digestive tract, etc. So that's why collagen's really grown and why a lot of people are looking for it in the market. So what makes us unique? So bone broth, it's very hard to make. It takes a really long time to boil the bones to get it right. Well, we do that, and then we dehydrate it. We put these little individual stick packs. So each stick pack has about 10 grams of protein. You can take it with you on the go, throw it in your backpack, throw it in your work, throw it in your pack to work. All you do is add 8 ounces hot water, pour this in, and you've got a bone broth. So for some people, sodium is an issue. So what we've created in one of our newest innovative products is a low sodium beef bone broth. This product has less than 95 milligrams of sodium, so over 4% of your daily value, but it's still got the same great flavor, the same award-winning flavor that you'd expect out of our other LONO LIFE products. All of our bone broths are certified by the Paleo Foundation. So what does that mean? It means that we have gone through the rigor of proving that our ingredients are certified to be paleo friendly. Also, the keto diet right now, it's a very big diet that the bone broth is really important. So if you're on the keto diet, bone broths are a good supplement as you're going through that process. Like I said, we have 3 flavors. We have the beef, comes in a 4-pack size or a 10-pack. Costco right now has a 15-pack, the Thai curry, and then the chicken. You can buy this line at Costco, or if you'd like, directly at our website. It's www.lonolife.com. So beyond our bone broths, some of our more innovative products are our collagen line. So we have a collagen supplement line. This line revolves in multiple different flavors. We have an unflavored collagen. You can use this to add to pretty much whatever you want, whether it's a smoothie that you might be making, or an oatmeal, or really anything you want that you want to add collagen to your diet. We also have 2 flavors that are really good that you can add to coffee, a mocha flavor. Also comes in individual sticks, and a vanilla flavor. So highly recommend these if you're a coffee drinker, kind of as an additive for your creamer. And then in the summer months, or kind of a warmer month, we have a cucumber lemon and a coconut pineapple flavor. Also 100% collagen. Really can add this to cold water. You've got a really nice refreshing drink to be able to get your collagen supplements. So as I had mentioned about collagen being a really good supplement, what a lot of people do is they want to add it to their coffee. So if you don't want to add it to your coffee, we did it for you, and we've got our own line of collagen infused coffee. So it's literally just as it sounds, 10 grams of collagen mixed with a instant coffee. And so all you do is add water and you've got your collagen coffee supplement. So our collagen supplements are our newest offering right now. If you're looking to try these, they're available on Amazon and our website, www.lonolife.com.